Oh, what's this? Uh-oh, what's this? All right, today we're getting this Victron battery monitor in. We've also got our distribution blocks to help clean up this stuff. Let's do this. All right, just a real quick show you what's going on before I throw the batteries in, and you can't see back in here as well. So over here we've got our positive block. We've got the main line running in. It's feeding to the battery. This is going into the inverter that we have, the little inverter we have here. Got all our ground lines coming in to the ground block. We've got our Victron battery shunt right there. That's part of our battery monitor that we're working on putting in. This is what started this whole thing. You know, yeah, I could have gone ahead and shortened up the wires, but I did not actually have any extra connectors. So for right now, they're just coiled up, nice and snug out the way. And up here is where everything feeds through. Coming in. So now, let's get our batteries in. All right, batteries are all hooked up. Got everything looped through. It's not the nice little straight, but I ran out of connectors, so had to make do with what I got. I'll shorten up cables to make them straight runs across another date, if we don't get around to changing out the batteries before then. And as you can see, we mounted it right up here inside the doorway. Easy to find. That's all there was to it.